Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Zoom background on Android. So if you use Zoom background as your main app, meeting online app, you can try to update it first. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and try to find Zoom Workplace, this one. So you can update it. So in order to fix minor bug, of course, you have to keep update this app. After that, you can go back and try to open your Zoom Workplace. If this your first time use Zoom Workplace, you have to understand, if you want to enjoy all the features, you have to join Pro. You have to subscription. So this is the free one. You can still use this meeting online, join meeting, start new meeting in a free version. So let's start by tap new meeting or join new meeting. Start a meeting. Wait the process connecting. Make sure you have a good internet connection in order to use this app. And here we go. You can see there's a toolbar. Now you can set your virtual background by tap the apps. And this is the virtual backgrounds. You can tap it. Now virtual background is powered by Pexels. There are 4 categories that you can set: nature, next interiors, art, and travel. So you can simply tap on the background that you want and tap set background. You can share it into your friend, of course. And if you don't want to use this virtual background, you can set a blur by tap 3 dots beside search pixels filter. Now you can set it into the blur background. Just tap it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.